to bring your maths workbook now. Take your maths workbook. Have your pencil, eraser, everything with you. Yeah. Bring your maths workbook. And I will give instructions only for 2 times, not more than that. Okay? Take page number 15 in your math workbook.
The video.
No need of video, dear.
What is page number?
Only 2 times I said. And this is the second time. Take page number 15 in your maths workbook. That's all. Syed Fahad, can you please log out from one gadget? Why 2 gadgets, Kana? Syed? Why you want to use 2 gadgets? Anishka P, please mute your video. Yes. Okay, children. I want the answers in the chat box. Respond, please. Respond only in the chat box. Yes. Have you all taken your workbook? Type in the chat box. If yes means yes, ma'am. That's all. Yes. Now I'm going to share the screen. Hope you all can see the screen. Yes. Okay. Let's start then. Okay. Okay, children. What is multiplication? So I think multiplication is very good. No, when you've learned a lot in that. Yes. No unmuting process and all. Please mute yourself. Only in the chat box. Answers only in the chat box. Okay. Now, multiplication in 16. Page number 16, right? Okay. Now turn the page to 16. Ready? Worksheet 1. In that, we are going to solve all the problems. Okay, children? Okay. I don't want answers. It is not like that, children. See, fill in the blanks by using the repeated addition. Repeated addition. So it is not only you have to write the answers there. It's not that 5 plus 5 plus like that. So yes, first you have to write in multiplication form and then you should get the answer. Can you? Shall we? Now look at what number is there. What number is that? Which number is repeated? Number 5. Yes, Pragati. Very good. Number 5. Number 5 is repeated. Isn't it? Again and again it is coming. Repeated means it's coming again and again. Right? Okay. How many times it is repeated? The count and tell how many times it is repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 times. 7 times what? What number? Which number is repeated? Yes. So 7 times 5. So you need to write like that. How you should write? So I'm going to type it. Yes. Hope you all can see this. Yes, it is 7 times. You have to multiply. So what is the symbol used for multiplication? X, isn't it? Yes, 7 times 5 is equal to. What is the answer? Now you should write 35. Yes, very good. So you should write 35. Like this you have to finish. Now look at the next question. What number is that? Number 13. Isn't it? Number 13. How many times it is repeated? 4 times. So you should write 4 times. That is 4 times means 4 multiplied by, yes, 13. 4 times 13. You have to write like that. Can you please give me the answer for that? Yes, I can see some answers, but some answers are different. Why? It is? Okay, what you have to do? 4 threes are and 4 ones are. You have to write like that. Yes, the answer is 52 is the correct answer. Yes. Yes. Okay, now next one. Now next one. How many times? How many times the number is repeated? 3 times. What? 3 times? 17. Yes, 3 times 17 is repeated. So 317 is equal to 3 times 17 is equal to, yes. What is the answer? Very good, Sarveshwar. The answer is 51. Okay, now D and E you will do by yourself, not now. We'll move on to the next one. Okay. Yes, you can do it later. Now, next exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Complete the multiplication table. Complete the multiplication table. Look at the middle circle. Look at the middle circle. What is that? Here, what is that? Number 12 is there, isn't it, children? And here it is 8. So, you all know 8 tables and 12 tables, isn't it, children? So, look at that. So, here 12, 10, and what is that? 120. 12 tens are 120, isn't it? So, likewise, you have to fill all the places. Okay, shall we? Okay, now 12 ones are like that. So, this one, the second one, you will do by yourself, and the first one alone we will do now. Okay, now what I have to write here? 12 ones are 12. Yes, it's easy, right? It's very easy, right? 12. 12 into 2. Yes, 24. And here 12. Here 12 is there. 4. 12 fours are 48. Yes, now 12 fives are 60. Very good. Now 12 six are here. Are you all comfortable with multiplication tables?
72, ma'am.
Yes, now next one. 84 is there. Next one. 12 eights are. Very good. 96. The last one. 12 nines are. Very good. Finally, we completed this. See, likewise, you can try for all the tables also. Isn't it, children? So here, for 12 tables, we have completed. For 8 tables, you will do later. You will do it later. Okay, children? Yes, that will be quite interesting. Don't get help from your parents, okay? Do by yourself, okay? Yes. We'll move to the next exercise. Shall we? Yes. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. So it's like mental math, children. So within fraction of second, you should tell the answer. Within fraction of second, you have to tell the answer like mental math. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. If you can write it now itself and you can check the answers. Okay, 5 threes are, 3 fives are, 3 times 5. What is the answer? Yes, 15. Okay. Okay, now I will call upon the names, right? Tejaswini, can you please tell me the next one? B question. Tejaswini, please unmute and tell the B question. If you're not responding, what can I do? Sudarshini, can you please tell? C question. C.
I'm 42.
I requested Sudarshini to tell. Sudarshini,
Ma'am,
yes, see question, tell me.
54.
54, yes, very good. 54 is the answer, yes. Yashwant, Yashwant,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, D question. 8 8 are.
64.
Very good. 64. 64. Yes. Okay. Yes, next one. So, likewise, you can complete till Q question, isn't it, children? Likewise, you can complete till Q question later. Let's see this. Okay. Now, this one. The two numbers whose product is 1 are. If you multiply a number, two numbers, the product is 1. So, then what will be the number? 1 and 1, very good. Mahati and Guru Prasad, very good children. It is 1 and 1. When you multiply 1 and 1, you will get 1 as the product. 1, 1. Yes. Okay, next one. Write any two numbers whose product is 0. Any two numbers. So definitely, what will be the one factor? The one factor will be 0. Isn't it, children? In the next column, you can fill any number. Maybe your favorite number. Yeah, I'm writing my favorite number. My favorite number is 3. My favorite number is 3. So I'm typing 0 into 3. 3. Okay, fine. 64 into 0. Yes, correct, Yashwant. 64 into 0, 0. No, Dikshita, not 3, 6. Yes, Sarveshwar, 17 into 0. Yes, correct. You can write your favorite number in that column. Okay. Even 10,000, even 11,000, even 1 lakh. Any number, when you multiply it with 0, you will get 0 as a Dikshita. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now the next one. Look at the T question. Which number is 100 times of 67? 100 times means what? You have to multiply the 67 with 100, isn't it? So in general, in simple, you have to add these two zeros at the back, isn't it? Not 1 0, 2 zeros. So what you will write here? 6,700. 6,700 is the answer, right? Yes, I'm typing here. 6,700. Yes, correct. Okay, now next one. Which number is 10 times? It is only 10 times of 83. Yes, Guru Prasad. Again, Guru Prasad. Yes, 8, 3, and you have to add 1 0. Right? Have you all completed? Yes. Let's move to the next page. Yes, 830. Yes. See the next page, and this is your favorite page. It is already given there, isn't it, children? Started doing the sums now itself. I can see that. Very good. Okay. So let me type. So you're going to tell me whether I'm typing correct or wrong. Right? I'm going to type it now. I'm going to arrange the numbers properly. You have to tell me is that correct or wrong. Okay? Yes? Okay. Look at that. How I'm typing. Yes. I'm writing here. 8, 4, and 7 here. Am I right? Is that correct? I want Mastan. Mastan, can you please unmute yourself and tell me the reason? Yes, very good. All of clear, right? Yes. Why is that white color column? Why that white color column? It is for?
Ma'am, that is carryover place.
Ah, very good. That is carryover place. Very good. So I need to arrange in this way. Am I right? No annotation, please. No annotation. So is this correct? Arul Sai, is this correct? Arul Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this correct? The way I have arranged?
Yeah.
Yes. So whatever sum you are doing, whether you're doing addition or doing subtraction, multiplication, anything, which is very important. Arrangement. The arranging the numbers are very, very important. You understand, children? Yes. Okay, so you will write, I think multiplication is very comfortable for you. Okay. What will be the answer? What is the answer for this? Yes, 1988 is the correct answer. Correct? Yes. Let me change the color. One, 9. But I want you to explain how it came for you. It is not that just writing the answers on the board. Okay. Okay. I want any one child. Mahashweta. Mahashweta, right? How did you get the answer, Mahashweta? Okay. First, what you have to do? Which number you have to multiply? Can you tell me, Mahashweta? Mahashweta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Okay. 284 multiplied by 7, isn't it? Now, first, which number you have to multiply?
4, 7.
Very good. 7 into 4, right? So, what is the answer? 7 into 4.
28.
So, where I have to write 8 is here. Where I have to write 2? Carry over, right?
Carry over.
Yes, 2 carry over. Yes, 2 here and 8 here. Again, next, I want Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad, can you please unmute yourself? Mahashweta, thank you. Guru Prasad, can you please unmute yourself? Yes, dear. Can you please tell me what is the next step in this? What do you have to do?
What, ma'am?
What is the next step in this?
18.
8 into 7, right?
200.
8 into 7.
8 into 7.
What is the answer? 8 7s are
72. 56.
72 plus 56.
Huh?
Hey, tell me correctly. What is that?
2. 58.
6 plus 2, 58. So 5 where I have to write? 5 carried over. Correct?
8.
Yes,
Seven.
finally, what is the last step in this? So the 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5.
14.
14 plus 5.
19.
So finally the answer is? Okay. Here you should write product is equal to 1988. You need to write like this, children, everybody. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Product is equal to, we can write it in small letters also. 19, in here it is 666. See, this is very, very important, children. It is not only doing the sum. Okay. Finally, you need to write the answer. You have to take the answer and write it properly. Okay? So product is equal. What is product? The answer is called product in multiplication. Correct? Yes? Okay, fine. I think you all can do this sum C, D, E, and F. Yes? Yes. Okay, let us see the next thing. Shall we go to the next page? Yes. Same way. We will just see the arrangement of numbers, right? Can you hear me? Sangeeta ma'am, can you hear me? Yes. Okay, fine. Super. Okay, now I'm going to arrange the number again. Fine. What is the number? 124 multiplied by 13, right? Where I have to write 1, 2, 4 multiplied by 13. 1 here, 3 here. Okay. So here, how many products you got? You will get 1,
Ma'am, can I
2,
try?
and 2. May I know the name, please? Please tell me your name and tell me. You can start. Yes, Saima. So what is the first step? What you will do?
3 into 3 numbers. 4 are 12.
4 threes are 12. Yes, 4 threes are 12. So you will write 2 here and 1 carry over, right?
1 carry over.
Yes. Next one,
3 twos are 6.
3 twos are 6. Then
1
7. I request, no, please don't help ma'am. The child can do it. She can do, definitely. And the last step you can do. Can you do by yourself, dear?
3.
3 ones are
3.
3. Correct? Yes. Thank you, dear. Yes, you can mute yourself. Now I request Sabarish. Sabarish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sabarish. Now do the next step, Sabarish. What I have to do?
We should we should put right 0, ma'am, first.
Yes. First I have to put 0 here. Okay, then
And 1 fours are 4.
1 fours are 4. Very good. Then
1 twos are 2.
1 twos are 2. Very good. Then
1 ones are 1.
1 ones are 1. So finally what I have to do?
Add these numbers.
We need to add it. Yes.
Numbers.
So I will put plus symbol here, right? Okay,
Yes,
thank you,
ma'am.
dear. Thank you. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now Dikshita. Dikshita. Dikshita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Dikshita. Can you please tell the answer for this product? What will be the product?
1612.
Right? Not like that. Go step by step. How did you get that answer? First, what you have to add? You need to add 2 plus 0. Here, this one, isn't it? You need to tell that step by step. So,
2.
yes, like that. 2. Next. 7 plus 4.
plus 2,
11. Right. 11. 1 here and 1 on. Yes. Then
1 carry over.
Then 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6. And finally, what is the answer here?
1.
Okay.
1,
So,
1,
is it over? Finally, what you have to do? Product is equal to, you need to write like this. At the below, you need to write product.
product is equal to 1, 6.
Yes, it's equal to 1612. Right? Yes, children. Yes, it's time for the online test. And finally, one more thing. I will let me complete that and then we will go to that. Okay? Okay. So I think this multiplication also you will be doing. Okay? And we'll be sending the answers also. Don't worry. But do not copy the answers as such. Try to do by yourself. After doing the sums, you can cross-check with the answer key sent by your class teachers. Do you understand? Children, do not copy as such from the answer key. Do by yourself and then cross-check. You understand, children? Yes. Finally, what problems? Right? Solve the following. So already I said, when you're doing word problems, which is very important, the numbers and the noun. The numbers and the noun, isn't it, children? Okay. So what I have to underline here, you remember that? What I have to underline here? Yes, you will be getting the link. Don't worry. Come on, tell me the answer for this. There are 328 trees in a row. So please, okay, first you have to underline this one. Yes, this is very, very important. Yes, isn't it? Next is, how many trees are there in 14 rows? In a row means what? One row. Isn't it? So how many trees are there in 14 rows? Now, what will be the first statement? Who can tell that? Please type in the chat box. Tell me the first statement. Yes, very good. Very good. Super. So the first statement is I'll type here. Number of trees in a row. Yes. Is equal to 3 to 8. Right? What is the second statement? It is number of
Gayatri ma'am, it is 12:45. Can I paste the link, ma'am?
by sharp 12:50 you can paste it, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Number of rows. Very good. Very good. What is that? Number of rows. So what will be the number of rows means there. Where I have to underline? Here it is. Here. Isn't it? 14 rows. Okay. So number of rows is equal to 14. I'm typing here. Is equal to. Do I need to type here? Is that correct? I'm typing. Is that correct? Is that correct, children? What I've typed? No. Yes. Because 14, I should put it in a proper place. Isn't it, children? Now, this will be the proper place. 4 should be in the ones place and 1 should be in the tens place. Now, this is the perfect arrangement. Right? Then finally, what will be the answer? Third statement. What will be the third statement? Look at this question itself. You can understand. How many trees are there in 14 rows? That is the question. So from that question itself, you can understand. Finally, yes, total. Total, the word total is very important here. Total number of trees in What is that? In 14 rows. Yes, in 14 rows. Is equal to, you have to give the answer. Correct? Yes. You have to, we get the answer. The same way, are you all ready, children? So now you understood how to write the statement, and finally, it is not that till. Finally, answer is equal to, you have to write like this. Answer is equal to whatever answer comes there, and you have to type trees. Am I right? Like this, you have to complete it. You understand, children? Yes. And never ever. So, is that everything is perfect in this sum? What I have typed? No, one is missing. Something is missing there. What is it missing? I did not type the symbol, isn't it? What is the symbol? What is the sign used for multiplication? What is the sign used for multiplication? Multiplication. Yes. X sign. Yes, I have to type that. But that is very, very important, isn't it? So you need to type multiplication symbol. Here. Okay? Yes. Now it's perfect. So first three statements and finally answer. Everything is perfect. Like this, you have to complete the statements. Okay, children? Okay, yes. Finally, here you're going to get the link. Nothing late, children. My dear children, you have 10 minutes time. In that 10 minutes, you can finish that link very easily, right? Yes, ma'am. Sangeeta, ma'am, can you please post the link now?
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
very much eager to finish that. Yes.
I pasted it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Children, exactly 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes. Don't worry. You can do it. Start doing. I think you all can see this. See? Sangeeta ma'am, can you please post the link again? Same Nitish is asking. Yes, wait, then I'll post it. Got it? Hope you all can do this, no? Face this exercise by yourself. You need any help? try to do it by yourself, children. Have you all completed, children? I can see few children.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear. I'm sending the link again.
ma'am,
Another children.
நம்பருக்கு லிங்க் அனுப்புறீங்களா மேம்?
That cannot be possible now, ma'am. Maybe later you can ask the class teacher to send the link, ma'am. Okay? You can request the class teacher to do that. Yes, ma'am. After the session, you can request the class teacher to send the link, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am, but one doubt I have.
Somebody asked, no, what is that?
I have one doubt, ma'am. What means product one product one? Ma'am, how many products will come one digit multiplication? They asked, ma'am. I put.
Okay, I think ma'am taught you about that, right? Ma'am taught you about.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
one digit multiplication, how many you will be getting?
One product, ma'am.
Yes. In two digit multiplication,
In 2 digit multiplication, 2 products, ma'am.
no.
One product will come, ma'am.
No, in two
3
digit.
products. 3.
Aye. Then 4 products. You have to write the answer there. Don't tell the answer here. Okay. Don't reveal the answer. Okay. Mute yourself, Kanna. Yes, children. 2 more minutes more. Have you all finished? Yes. Very good. Yes, children. You can keep doing the test. Complete and then close it. Okay. Submit and then close. And the answer keys will be sending to you, children. Take in a WhatsApp group. Very good. But we ask you to not to post the scores here in the chat box. Please do not do that. Thank you, children. It's time. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Very good.
Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai
Gayatri
Gurudev,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev,